How to choose between the 3-button navigation system or the swipe gestures navigation system. This is for your Moto G phone with Android 15. To find the system navigation settings, use the quick access like this and tap on the settings toggle found to the bottom right. As you reach here, use the search settings right here and type in the words system. Let's go ahead and type in system. S, and then navigation, this one right here. As you type in the words, you'll start to see it, you'll go to it, and it'll take you where to go next. And once you're here, usually at default, you'll have the 3 buttons right here to the bottom. You'll notice that there. And if you tap on the settings for it, you will be able to switch the order they appear. So the back will be here, recents will be here, and it's up to you to make that decision. Now, if you're looking for the full display swipe gestures, you'll switch to this one here. And of course, as always, you can go into the settings and see what other options there is for that. So swipe for assistance instead of the holding down of your home button. You also have increasing the back gesture, which is swiping from the left or swiping from the right side, the sensitivity of it. As you increase this here, you'll notice this little blue bar here. That's how much the back gesture sensitivity will be, right? Same with the right side, you'll notice that there. You also have the option to show that little bar here or hide it if you don't want it. And that's it for these here. Now, if you don't want any of these, you can go back to the 3 button here. Also, if you're new to the gestures, you can always go to see how it works, and they're going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use them. All right, but that is that. Like and sub.